Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to turn off read receipts on Telegram and hide your last seen and online status. By the end of this quick tutorial, you'll know how to control who can see when you were last active, making your Telegram experience more private and on your terms. If you want to go under the radar, whether it's to avoid the pressure of instantly replying or simply for some digital peace of mind, stick around. Let's get straight into it. The very first thing you want to do is open up the Telegram app on your device. Make sure you're logged into the account you want to adjust these settings for. Once you're inside the app, look for the menu or the three lines up in the corner, tap there, and then head straight into Settings. Think of Settings as the control center for your privacy and preferences. You can change so much here, but today we're going to zero in on your online visibility. Next, inside the Settings menu, scroll down until you see Privacy and Security. Go ahead and select Privacy and Security. This section is where Telegram puts all the tools you need to manage who sees your information, so it's worth getting familiar with. We're especially interested in controlling who can see your last seen and online status. Now tap on Last Seen and Online. You'll immediately see a few options here which might look a little different depending on your device or app version, but the core setting is always who can see my last seen. By default, this is usually set to everybody, meaning anyone on Telegram can see when you were last active. To turn back the clock on your privacy, select Nobody. This means no one at all will be able to see when you were last online, not even your saved contacts. For some people, it's a relief to know you can check messages at your own pace without feeling watched. Telegram will remind you here that if you block your own status, you also won't be able to see when others were last seen. It's a mutual privacy agreement. So just keep in mind that you lose a bit of visibility too, but for many, that's a fair trade-off for more control. Now take a look at the next section, Who can see when I'm online? Here you have a handy option, tap on Same as Last Seen. This basically means your online status follows the rule you've just set for your last seen settings. For example, if you chose Nobody for last seen and set your online status to Same as Last Seen, then nobody will see your online status either. This is the safest bet if you want as much privacy as possible. Think of it as pulling the same shade down on both the window and the door, keeping your activity discreet across the board. If you ever want to make an exception, maybe for a close friend or family member, Telegram also lets you add exceptions. But for now, with these main toggles switched, you've done the job. Your Telegram presence just got a lot more private. And that's the whole process. It only takes a few taps but makes a big difference in reclaiming your online boundaries. If you're worried you've missed a step, no worries, just rewind and pause whenever you need. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit the like button and leave me a comment if you have any questions or want to share how privacy settings have helped you. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy-to-follow tech guides, and I'll catch you in the next one.